The Snap Design Academy is a 5-week, 100-hour design thinking and visual design course for 20 underrepresented students in Los Angeles.
What the Snap Design Academy is a way to reach into our community college system and find students that have a design background that are ready to perform at a really high level. We feel like when these students get access to opportunities, they flourish and they're able to develop that pathway into a job in tech that they otherwise might not have been able to get.
Hello everybody, we are Kotak. Thank you for being out here with us today.
There are 400,000 community college students in Los Angeles, and there is a huge amount of hidden talent that companies just aren't tapping into. Our job is to connect this talent to opportunity.
There's a real opportunity of being able to recruit from your own backyard. And we've seen great success with over 40% of our students getting hired on as full-time employees, which I think is a testament to the talent that's right in community colleges.
Thank you guys.
The students that we have at the Snap Design Academy come from a variety of backgrounds. 75% of the students are the first person in their family to ever go to college, and Snap has gone all out to make sure that they get an amazing experience and turn it into a career in design.
Being the first generation of Mexican immigrants, my parents really didn't plan on college. Essentially, my parents wanted me to just work, but I always wanted more. So when I was younger, instead of going to school after high school or going to college, I decided to join the Marine Corps. At first I heard about the Snap Academy at school, and I thought it would be a great opportunity to learn, meet people, and be able to get a sense of what my future job might entitle.
Hi, I'm Taylor Kim. I am a fashion merchandising student from Los Angeles Trade Tech. I think the opportunity to come together and talk and exchange ideas is probably more valuable than any online class or hard skill that I could gain.
I want to create products that find solutions and that impact lives.
Hey, you did it!
There was something deeper that happened here. There was a kind of installation of a new kind of value about what design could be, the visual part of it and the humanitarian, human part of it. And I think the combination of forces, the design thinking, the Snap employees, Bixel Exchange's input, what the students brought themselves, I think this is the kind of designer that I want to see in the world, to not just make it look better, but actually make the world a better place.
This program allowed them to unlock something that they had already inside of them and believe in themselves and dream bigger for themselves.